In this video, I will show you how to import inventory from a CSV file in Square. First, log into your Square account. Once logged in, you will see your main dashboard. Next, go to the left side menu and click on Items and Services. From the drop-down, select Item Library. Once you are in your item library, look for the Import Items button, usually located at the top or middle of your screen, and click on it. A pop-up window will appear. In here, click on Import Existing Catalog. Your file manager will automatically open, allowing you to browse and select the CSV file that contains your inventory data. After selecting your file, Square will display a preview where you can review and customize your Square attributes and category columns to make sure everything matches correctly. Your inventory will then be added and ready to use in your Square account. And that's how to import inventory from a CSV file in Square.